going to show you what we have in the box this month. So it's all about the weather. So you're going to have the 3-part card of the weather, and we have done a bit more information about clouds. So you have a little booklet. So you can go through this booklet with your child and read it as a story, as an informational book, and that explains what is a cloud, that explains the different kind of clouds. So according to the way they are in the sky, so clouds are different. So we have a color coded. We have a color coded here. So like that, when they turn the page, you know that these clouds are the ones that are low in the sky. And then you have the clouds that are in the middle of the sky, and then the clouds that are very high in the sky. And so that tell you, you know, what kind of cloud it is and the kind of weather that is related to that cloud. So yeah, that's a little booklet so that you will go, you know, you can read that with a young child, obviously, but if your child is a bit older, that's still a very good informative booklet about cloud. So we have, I go totally randomly, just going through the box. Here you have some lacing activities, so obviously your child or yourself, you have to cut around. And I show you, I did that, you know, just print this one myself, so it's not great quality. So when you have, you can see the difference with you know, with your home printer and with professional printing. And so obviously you go around, and that's going to be a lacing activity. So you have the little lace here to use it. That will be like a lacing activities for a younger child. So that's why we have included here, you know, if your child is just 3, you want to start with that. The activity that is in it, I'm going to show you that first, is this kind of more advanced lacing activity. As that come, obviously, you have the wooden rainbow, you have the little needle that is very safe, so you can reuse it for many other activities. I will put some links of what you can do in terms of sewing activities the Montessori way, because it's quite interesting. And then you have, obviously, the wall that goes with it, so you can see that my son has started his own. And then you have, obviously, a template, a rainbow template that you can use in different way, totally, you know, whatever you want to do with it. Explanation, obviously. Then you have a temperature chart. So it's laminated, so you can reuse it again and again and check every day what is the temperature outside. You have what is the weather today chart, and you can download more of these, obviously. We included one, but you can download it again and again in the member area. Then you have the weather wheel, so again you need to cut around, and we have included the little split pins that you can use, obviously, to attach to the arrow. And then you have your weather wheel that you can use every day. Then you have a cloud poster. So just to learn more about the clouds and see, you know, where are the clouds in the sky, and that when these ones come around, so basically this one is what we call the cloud viewer. So you cut the inside of it and your child can just go and look in the sky. I cannot see any sky around my house, but yeah, basically you go out and you check what kind of skies, what kind of clouds you have, and it's just fun to do. So the next activity is cold weather, hot weather, and rainy weather. And it's a little memo game, bingo game. So you have the cards here. So they have to sort the weather clothes, the clothes according to the weather. So the clothes according to the weather. So you have 12 cards, obviously. And then you have your 3-part cards. So you have 11 weather card, so cloudy, foggy, lightning, rainbow, sunny, partly cloudy, rainy, flood. Okay, so you have 3 kind of weather, extreme weather condition, like with like tornado, flood, and draw. So you may want to hold on those 3 cards and introduce them when you think your child is ready. And snowy weather. And so obviously there are 3-part cards, so you need to match them. Okay, usual way. And I think I've shown you everything that is in the box. So yeah, that's it. That's all the content of your box. Quite a lot this month, and it's all about the weather. And obviously I'm going to show you many ways to use your box in the Montessori area.